Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be the sixth plot from section 1 of chapter 10 that deals with various ways of delivering a checkmate or how to attack. So without further ado, let us begin our simple analysis. First of all, it will be red's turn to move in this situation. Red would have 2 chariots, 2 cannons, 1 pawn, a full guard. Of course, the central theme of this section will be a central cannon controlling the central file of the enemy king. Now, at first glance, Black's left flank is very empty and very vulnerable to attack. So how can Red manage to gain a winning position in this situation? A check is delivered with R1 plus 1. R9, R2 plus 9 would also be okay. Black can only defend in this manner. And Red will double down, threatening to capture the chariot. Now, if Black captured the chariot, it will be an immediate checkmate. So therefore, Black can only defend with R4 equals to 6 to protect. And with this move, Black could also actually threaten to capture the advisor. But at this point in time, Red would not bother. He would only play C equals to 3 for this very brilliant move. Red delivers a check, and this would be an intermediate move that would not have any major significance. And Black tries to dislodge the red cannon. Now, at this point in time, the best way for Red to attack would be to capture or trade chariots, and then continue with R3 equals to 6. Now, the chariot cannon combination over here with the chariot behind the cannon is a very powerful entity instead of the usual chariot in front of the cannon. Now, at this point in time, this will be a check. Again, the black chariot cannot capture the cannon, or this would be an immediate checkmate. So the black chariot can only move away, let's say R6 plus 3 to threaten the red chariot. But now red will make use of the detonating mine attack. He would capture the advisor, delivering a check, forcing the chariot back because that's the only viable move available. And red would capture the chariot and still protect the cannon at this point in time, and this would ensure victory to red. Even though if black captured, red could deliver another check and tear open black's defense. So there'll be not much that black can do at this point in time, and the remaining material is simply too weak to defend against red's cannon and chariot combination. So it would just be a matter of time before red would wipe out other pieces and deliver a checkmate. So this is another example of using the central cannon to control the enemy file while other pieces come together for a concerted attack. So as can be seen in the earlier position, if black were to move first, he could capture the elephant to deliver a check, etc., or move his or make other moves. So this is a very nice example of using the central cannon. A short recap: threatening the iron with the iron bolt, checkmate, and then the cannon. Sorry, R2 plus 4, check, and the detonating mine attack. Now, one very important thing to note is that you must learn the names of the basic kills so to be able to understand how to attack. There are approximately 30 odd basic kills with different combinations in Xiangqi, and together these basic kills offer a plethora of different ways of winning. So, if you like the work I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel. And for more information on basic kills and to support my channel, please do buy my book that I've written for beginners that is published on Amazon. So, Amazon, sorry. So if you like the work I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for the video. Thank you.